In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group layers in Figma. Grouping layers is a fundamental skill in Figma that helps you organize your designs, manage complex layouts, and streamline your workflow. When you group layers, you essentially combine multiple individual elements into a single cohesive unit. This allows you to move, resize, or apply effects to several objects simultaneously without having to select them individually each time. This is particularly useful for maintaining a clean and organized layers panel as your designs become more intricate. The process itself is quite straightforward. We'll begin by selecting the layers you wish to group. To do this, you'll need to press and hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click on each individual layer that you want to include in your group. You can click on these layers directly within your canvas or select them from the Layers panel on the left. As you click, you'll notice that each selected layer becomes highlighted, indicating that it's part of your current selection. It's crucial to make sure all the elements you intend to group are highlighted before moving to the next step. For instance, if you're grouping a button that includes a background shape and text, you'd select both elements. This method ensures precise selection, grabbing only the specific elements you need. Once you have all your desired layers selected, the next step is to actually create the group. With your layers still highlighted, simply right-click anywhere on one of the selected layers in your canvas or in the Layers panel. A context menu will appear. Look for and click on the Group Selection option. As soon as you click Group Selection, you'll notice a change in your Layers panel. All the previously individual layers that you selected will now be nestled under a single new layer, which is your newly created group. Figma automatically assigns a default name like Group 1, but you can easily rename it for better organization by double-clicking the group name in the Layers panel and typing a descriptive title, like Header Section or Button Component. For a quicker approach, especially if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can achieve the same grouping action even faster. After selecting your layers using the Shift key, instead of right-clicking, you can simply press Ctrl+G on Windows or CMD+G on Mac. This performs the Group Selection command instantly, saving you a few clicks and speeding up your design process considerably. Grouping is an essential tool for managing complex designs and keeping your Figma files neat and navigable.